Good morning here, checking in from Rush, North Georgia. Got a good used truck for us here, 2020 Kenworth T880. This one here's been on some dumps, I believe. Paccar powered, MX-13, 455. It's got back the detail, frosty one, it's with lights on it. 10-speed manual. Got two of these like this, and I've also got a pair of 567s, similar specs on it. Fresh, cleaned up, already been serviced. DOT ready to roll. Give us a call today, 678-466-9231. My name's Walt, love to help you out. Interior side here, all cleaned up, ready to roll. This one's got 299. 623 in the miles. Does a lot better in the cab. It works well. Frosty morning here, I mentioned. Again, manual. KWs have 10 speeds, and I've got two Pete's coming in with 13 speeds. They're not ready yet. Give us a call, 678-466-9231.